Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone involved, and Selamat Hari Raya to our beloved lecturer Dr. Nafazila, and a happy holiday to our beloved lecturer as well, Dr. Lee. So for today I'm going to present about my individual project, which we were asked to build a program coding about machining process. So in my case, I decided to go with the drilling process. So in the individual project, we were asked to build a coding to come up with the 5 outputs given to us, which is the total processing time, waste generated, efficiency, output per day, as well as energy consumption. So in the report that I've built and finished, that I have sent to you, there are many parts of the project, so we will go through it one by one. So for the first part is the selected machining process. Like I mentioned earlier, I decided to go with the drilling process. So for the flowchart, there is a slight misunderstanding when reading the project instruction. I thought we were supposed to come up with the flow of the machining process, which I did, but instead we were told that we needed to build a flowchart of the coding itself. As stated in the individual project instruction, we were supposed to come up with the flow of the machining process, and it's my mistake over there, but I will go with the flow of the machining process, which is first we need to mark it down which part we want to drill, where we want to drill the hole. Second is to hold the specimen to make sure it doesn't move anytime during the drilling process. Third one is to drill the specimen, and lastly is the surface finishing to make it looks better and have a smooth finish. As for the selected part, we decided to go with a simple metal sheet, which is same in the length, and with a square metal sheet, so, a simple one, and the thickness must not exceed 600 millimeters, as we already set the maximum width, length, and also the thickness. So the thickness can't be more than 600 millimeters. Next we go to the formula part. We were supposed to come up with the 5 outputs I mentioned earlier, and each and every one of the outputs contain different formulas, and all the formulas are stated in the report as we were told to do so. Next is the type of material used. I forgot to mention about the parameters. The maximum allowance for the width or length is 1000 millimeters, and the thickness, like I mentioned earlier, cannot exceed 600 millimeters. The types of raw material used, we selected 3: aluminium, stainless steel, as well as copper, as these are the common material used in the engineering machining process. The next part in the report is the program itself. I have tested it personally. It works, so I hope that you can evaluate the program itself in the report in the soft copy that I gave to you. And lastly is the conclusion part. I think myself, the project is important for the students to express what we've learned throughout the semesters. Without the project, we don't know where the level of our skills are. And with this project, we can determine our skills ourselves. Like, can we do the project? Can we do the coding? And after doing what we did, I can tell you, yes, we can implement what we learned in class, taught by the amazing lecturers of ours. So that's all from me today. I hope everyone enjoy it, and Selamat Hari Raya to everyone. Thank you for watching.